Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we're gonna see how you can disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 or 11 without using any tools, software or websites. If you've got a low-end device like an old PC or laptop and you want to improve performance by disabling certain things, also if you have any other valid reason to disable something, this method will definitely help you out. Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Alright, as you can see here, I'm on Windows 10, but don't worry, you can follow for Windows 11 too. First click on search bar, search here for virus and click on virus and threat protection. Then go into the virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. You'll see all the protection and security running here. Disable all of these. After that, click on your Windows search and type in registry. It should show up in the suggestions. Click on the registry editor here. Registry editor window will open. On the left-hand menu, you'll find HKey local machine. Double-click on that. Inside it, you'll see software. Double-click on that. Then look for policies and double-click on it. Next, go to Microsoft and inside Microsoft, you'll find Windows Defender. Click on it. Now we need to create some keys. On the right side, right-click and go to New. Choose D-word 32-bit value and rename it to Disable Anti-Spyware, exactly like that. Then double-click it and set the value data to 0. Click OK. Again, right-click, go to New, choose D-word 32-bit value. Rename this one to Disable Antivirus. Double-click it, set the value data to 1 and click OK. Once you do this, you're done. You can close the registry now. To apply the changes, you need to restart your PC. Threat protection, which is your Windows security, has been permanently disabled here. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.